Hi, it's Debbie with D.Ann's Designs. I am on, you're probably going to hear a timer ticking. It's because I have a meatloaf in the oven and I don't want it to burn. So I have 19 minutes. So we'll get this done. This is I was invited to participate in the August Challenge Regal Birds, and it was hosted in Line.Arrow. We were to do anything we wanted to do. It could be a tag, it could be a journal, anything you wanted to do. So this is what I chose to do. This is a sleeve for my journal. This is the birds out of the kit. We have several different items that I pulled out from my stash and used in here, and old book pages. This is from an 1899 book. I put them all into here. We've done a little stamping, and then I sealed. I used the gloss gel from Liquitex. So that's it on that. I have a little hole punched here so we can hold a little tag. Okay, then inside it, you're going to see it says Regal Birds, Line.Arrow. We have it identified. Not to get my journal. This little journal that's in here now. Set that aside. And this is the front of it. It's got a 3-hole template stitched to this journal section, and this is the back of it. Okay, so inside. Then we have this little envelope here, and which we have a little tag into there. Pop it down into here. All this. Now there's a lot of writing room in here. I'm a journaler, I like to write. And then this is out of the kit, which you will see for files. I went ahead and did just some little arts on that. Open it up, we have notes stamped in there. I've left you little note sheets that are inside of here. Just some doodle pages. Okay, then we have this into here, and we have this out of the kit, out of the Regal Birds kit also. We have this little tag here. I've just turned it into more of a pocket. This is a piece of just some script paper that I think I got it off of Graphics Fairy. Anyway, I've just aged it and put it into here. You age it really good, but it comes out really nice. I use baby oil on it and then hang it to dry. It comes out really nice to make it vintage. I have to do a little clip on that one to go center. I just left some long lines in there. And then we have this guy over here and another page that's out of the kit. And the peacock is gorgeous, Natalie. I really love peacocks. Peacocks and owls, they're probably my favorite. And then we have this little guy here. And this is vellum that I had some striped paper that I printed off on vellum and created a bag with it. So in the bag, we're going to hold a few of the kit tags in here. And then this is another piece of vellum I went ahead and printed on. And it's just like a little receipt that's maybe a little old. And then you just pick it back down here. Around the wood paper. I just went ahead and made a belly slide onto here. So just kind of something to do, I guess. And we have this writing room into here. Another tag holder here. Handle with care and friendship. We have a little page ruffle going down in here. Okay, we have a tag spot over here. Lots of little collaging. This little tag here is out of the kit. I went ahead and I cut it and then I folded it onto here. And then I left it as a pocket, but cut out the little, I don't know for sure what little fluffy top bird that is, but he's really cute. He's got a pretty color. This is more ephemera out from the kit. You will find lots of ephemera in this Regal Birds kit, which is still on sale as of today, but as of September 1, it goes back to a regular price if you're interested. To go check it out. Put that down through there, and here's the little page. We come into here. Here's my little flip sections. Here's a tag, little note. Got a little moving tag here. Open this up, and you're going to have another little moving tag into here. Little areas to jot a note. This guy here opens up. have another tag and another little pocket here. It's just a stamp I put onto here. And on this side, we're going to have the little, I don't know for sure what bird this is, Natalie. Sorry. I always call it a woodpecker, but I don't know for sure what it is. And then we have this little flap here with another little tag inside of it. And then we have this big bee, another bird area here. And then this one here, I put in this direction. It's open. And then you have these little guys here, books I want to read. And this is a little pocket, like a coin pocket, I think is what it's called. It's into here. And it's from the kit. And then we have this little writing page here. We have this guy into here, which you can open him up, and he'll have a tag into here. And a little bingo going here. This is a little collage page. I think this tag is down. Flip it up, and then you'll have another little page here. Flip this out. You have some more little writing pad pages here. Okay. And then I flip it down that way. And then I have a paper clip here. And this is just an embossed piece of brown paper. And for your pocket into here. So that should put that back together this way. Fun to do. And it was nice to make it on time. So, in here again, and then you can see. And this is what our little sleeve again looks like. I had a lot of fun doing this. Thank you for the challenge. I was glad to join in on it. And, you know, if anybody is not familiar with the Facebook group, line.arrow, please get on Facebook. It's a private group, but you can get on Facebook and ask to join. It's a nice group. They have lots of challenges. And Natalie has a lot of pretty kits that are on her Etsy shop also. So please hop on over to Facebook. I'll put her description down in the description box. I'll link you to her. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me, and I appreciate you. Bye now.